came into the school, and teachers were being shortlisted. Starting from myself, we had lot of question marks in the mind. I did not enroll myself to iPad. I was not too much for the training. In fact, I withdrew my name also from the iPad session. Then again I spoke to ma'am, I spoke to Chinnappa sir. Then I thought, okay, why not? It will again be an additional qualification. But I must say, more than being a qualification, it gives me that extra edge compared to the other teachers. Definitely yes. We always have that extra edge in the classroom. In the classroom environment, maybe if when activities are done, if I get back to what is actually done in the classroom, when activities are done, I don't have to depend upon somebody else to come and record my students' activities.
Yes.
Just like that, I have an iPad, I record, I can upload, I can show. From my classroom, I can show my head what exactly is happening. So physically, my head don't have to be, she need not spend her time and be present there to see what is happening in my class. That is one of the biggest advantage. And of course, it can be very nicely used. I think in future classes also, whatever photos and all that when we send it to our parents, parents will be equally excited as we are. Because at the end of the day, when the parent comes to know beyond studying, the child is being given so many opportunities to project himself. As a parent myself, I will feel very nice to see my son standing there. So I'm sure that will be the reflection of any of the parents in the school. So definitely you have given us that extra edge compared to the other teachers. And of course, it makes me aware, as Sridevi ma'am aptly said, we don't have to wait for somebody to come and train us. Anything we want, any doubt we want, we can always tell the students that we will get back to you. Just occupy them for 5 minutes at the click of a button. We have the immediate information. And how it was rightly projected by Swaroop sir. Of course, we are in that 95 age where we started off slowly, step by step. So our children are much more smart than us. So definitely questions are posed to us, and this is one gadget which allows us to be in par with them. If not beyond them, definitely in par with them. So it has been a great help in the classroom, and all thanks to our teachers standing here, looking extremely beautiful today. And thank you, Chinnappa sir. Again, it is I feel your idea of bringing in this. Though definitely again I get back to that question mark thing which was there in our minds. I'm grateful on behalf of everybody that you made us. You gave us an additional qualification to our CV. If I can read it across that. Definitely there was a lot of weightage. Even when we go out in the even in the family circle or anywhere, we say we were the 20%